National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, northeastern Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, southwestern Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin, Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:30 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Milton to near Como, moving north at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Whitewater, Fort Atkinson, Elkhorn, Delavan, Jefferson, Lake Geneva, Mukwonago, Lake Mills, Milton, East Troy, Wales, Ottawa, Johnson Creek, Dowson, North Prairie, Palmyra, Lake Ripley, Como, Potter Lake and Lake Koshkonong. This includes the following locations: Ottawa Lake Recreation Area and Pinewoods Campground. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.